Hi dears, today we are moving with the second module of our third chapter, Goal. In this session, you will acquire knowledge about pros and cons of computer games, vital capacity, breathing rate and pulse rate, and also blowing air for various purposes. What is your opinion about computer games? Is it good or bad? There are good and bad effects also, but bad effects are more. It addicts you. You may lose your social contacts and become an isolated person. Not only that, you may have no exercise, it will cause obesity or you will become a fat person. So, the bad effects of computer games are addiction, isolation, and obesity. And dear children, at olden times, women were not allowed to play in public places. At olden times, they had so many restrictions. They didn't have freedom to play. Even in Olympics, women were not allowed to participate at the beginning. Later, in 1900 only, women were allowed to participate in competitions in Olympics. We call it gender discrimination. That is, boys were allowed to play but girls were not allowed to play. So there is a gender difference or gender discrimination between boys and girls at olden times. It was the condition at olden times, but nowadays it is not there. At your schools you might have seen both the girls and boys are allowed to play. Nowadays we are far better. Okay. And some games require huge money to practice because we need to pay for coaches and also to buy sports equipments. So you might have experienced it. That is, when you want to go and join in a academy, sports academy, you want to pay money, right? And you want to buy sports equipments also. Dear children, games will help us to develop our muscles, body organs, and it will increase the capacity to work. We say it stamina. And what is the purpose of breathing exercise? When we strongly inhale and exhale, the capacity of muscles and lungs increase. Dear children, it will help you to become calm and focused. Sometimes your teachers might be doing this exercise in your classes for making you focused. Inhale means taking in oxygen and exhale means give out carbon dioxide. So breathing exercise are good for our body. And here you can see a picture. A boy and a girl, they are blowing the balloons. They were given the balloons at the same time and were asked to blow. But one balloon is big, the other one is small. From this we can understand that the capacity of volume of air exhaled after strong inhalation is different for different people. We call it by the name vital capacity. So what is vital capacity? The volume of air exhaled after strong inhalation is called vital capacity. We can increase our vital capacity through continuous exercises. You can do this activity with your siblings or with your parents from the home and find out who is having more vital capacity. It will be fun. And there is an instrument used to measure the vital capacity. Its name is spirometer. Please observe the picture. That is spirometer. The instrument used to measure the vital capacity is spirometer. And what is this? Yes, you might have seen this instrument. It is used to check our heartbeat or pulse rate. We call it stethoscope. And our breathing rate and heartbeat increases when we do a tedious work. That means a hard work. For example, jumping, running, climbing staircases, etc. Dear children, there is a normal breathing rate and heartbeat or pulse rate for the human beings. The normal breathing rate of a person is 12 to 20 breath per minute, and the normal heartbeat of a person is 60 to 100 beat per minute. And now we can look some. Before that, let me tell you one more thing. Exhaling air contains carbon dioxide and water vapor. Once more I repeat, exhaling air contains carbon dioxide and water vapor. Now let us look some occasions we blow air with mouth. Please watch the pictures. Blowing out the candle, blowing toy fan, blowing the bubbles, blowing to cool the tea, blowing to burn fire. Then last picture, blowing on a mirror. You might have observed this. When we blow on a mirror, it will become moist or hazy. Why is it so? Because I told you earlier, exhaling air contains, what is that? Yes, carbon dioxide and also water vapor. So we blow air for different or various purposes. And please watch the picture. What is that? The famous sport item in our state. We call it by the Malayalam Vallam Kali, or we can call it boat race. The most popular boat race in Kerala is Nehru Trophy boat race. It is held in Punnamada Lake near Alappuzha. There are more boat races, Aranmula Vallangali, Chambakulam Vallangali, etc. Okay, so the most popular boat race in Kerala is Nehru Trophy boat race, and it is held in Punnamada Lake near Alappuzha. Now it is the time for follow-up activity. Dear children, very interesting one. Make an album of famous Indian women players. You can collect it from the sports page of newspapers or magazines. Try to do it and paste it in your notebook. Okay? Thank you. That's all for today. Have a nice day.